If you've been thinking about breaking into tech, or maybe you're already working but feel stuck, this video is for you. Because by 2026, the tech job market is going to look very different from what most people expect. Today, I'm walking you through some of the most in-demand and highest-paying tech careers you can start preparing for right now. And here's the important part: without needing a 4-year degree. You can learn the skills without draining your bank account. And as a bonus, every career on this list is AI resistant. These are roles AI supports, not replaces. So whether you're switching careers, leveling up, or finally chasing work that pays what you're actually worth, these are the tech jobs you should be watching closely going into 2026. Let's start with the one everyone's talking about: artificial intelligence and machine learning, AI. Yes, AI is everywhere right now. There's a lot of noise, but behind all that hype are real jobs with real salaries.
Entry-level AI-related roles are already paying anywhere from $100,000 to $130,000.
And once you gain experience, that number can climb well past $180,000. AI and machine learning engineers are the people designing the system engine, chatbots, patents, and even self-driving technology. And no, this isn't just about typing prompts. It's about understanding how data, math, and code create intelligent systems. You'll need strong Python skills and a basic grasp of statistics, algorithms, and data structures, but you don't need a PhD. Many people break into this space through online courses, hands-on projects, and real-world experimentation. Build small models, share them on GitHub, show that you can solve problems. The biggest challenge here: AI moves fast. Instead of chasing every new tool, focus on fundamentals. If you can also combine AI knowledge with an industry like healthcare, cybersecurity, or networking, you become incredibly valuable very quickly. If you enjoy problem solving and constant learning, this is one of the most exciting paths in tech heading into 2026. Network engineering. Now, let's talk about something that quietly powers everything in tech: networking. Every cloud platform, every AI system, every website and application, it all depends on strong networks. With more devices, more cloud usage, and more remote work than ever before, skilled network professionals are in serious demand. Entry-level roles like network technicians or admins typically earn $70,000 to $90,000, while experienced engineers and architects often earn $120,000 to $160,000 or more. But networking today isn't just routers and cables. The future is automation, software-defined networking, and cloud integration. If you're learning tools like Python, Ansible APIs, or platforms like modern network controllers, you're already ahead of most people. The field may move slower than others, but when it changes fast. My advice: master the fundamentals first: subnetting, VLANs, routing, switching. Then layer on automation and cloud networking. Build labs, break things on purpose. That's how real learning happens. Networking isn't going anywhere, it's evolving. And if you can connect traditional infrastructure with modern automation, you'll be one of the most valuable people in the room in 2026. Next up, cybersecurity. And honestly, this field isn't slowing down anytime soon. Cyber attacks, ransomware, and data breaches keep increasing, and companies are desperate for people who know how to defend systems.
Cybersecurity engineers currently earn anywhere from $90,000 to $150,000.
There are multiple open jobs for every qualified professional, and that gap is only getting wider. To start, you'll need a solid foundation in networking, operating systems, and scripting. Certifications like Security Plus or CEH can help, but you don't need everything at once. Hands-on practice matters most. Use platforms like labs, simulations, or even home setups to practice detecting vulnerabilities and securing systems. Yes, the job can be stressful, but it's also meaningful. No 2 days are the same, and your work genuinely protects people and businesses. If you want a career that's high-paying and mission-driven, cybersecurity is one of the strongest options heading into 2026. Cloud engineering. Now let's talk about the cloud, because this is where everything is going. Companies of all sizes are moving away from physical servers and into platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud engineers and architects are in massive demand. Most start around $100,000 to $130,000, and experienced professionals often earn $160,000 to $200,000. These roles exist everywhere: startups, enterprises, and global organizations. You'll need skills in networking, virtualization, automation, and security, along with tools like Terraform, Docker, and Kubernetes. Certifications help, but only if you apply what you learn. The cloud evolves fast, so adaptability is key. Learn one platform deeply, then branch out. If you enjoy designing systems, solving large-scale problems, and working flexibly, cloud careers will remain strong well beyond 2026. Full stack development. Let's talk about one of the most flexible and creative roles in tech: full stack development. These are the people who build entire applications, from the interface users see to the databases behind the scenes.
Salaries typically start around $85,000 to $120,000, and experienced developers often earn $150,000 plus.
The skill set is wide: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, backend languages, databases, and version control. The challenge? Staying sharp without burning out. Start with one tech stack, go deep, then slowly add DevOps or AI integrations. If you love seeing your ideas turn into real products people use, this is one of the most rewarding tech careers you can pursue. Data engineering. Now here's a role that doesn't get enough attention, but should. Companies collect massive amounts of data, but raw data is useless without structure. Data engineers build the pipelines that clean, organize, and deliver data so analysts and AI systems can actually use it. You'll need skills in Python, SQL, cloud platforms, and an understanding of databases and ETL processes. It's not glamorous work. You'll deal with messy data and broken pipelines. But when you solve those problems, entire organizations run better. Build small projects, pull data from public sources, clean it, visualize it. Every company wants to be data-driven, but they can't do it without data engineers. This career is stable, high-paying, and absolutely critical moving into 2026. AI Product Manager, Solution Architect. Now here's a role many people overlook, but is becoming extremely valuable. AI product managers and solution architects are the bridge between business needs and AI technology. They don't train models, they decide how AI should be used, where it fits, and what problems it should solve.
Product managers typically earn $120,000 to $160,000, while enterprise solution architects can earn $180,000 to $200,000 plus.
You need to understand both technology and strategy, and communicate clearly with engineers and executives. If you enjoy big picture thinking and shaping how AI is used responsibly, this is one of the most future-proof roles in tech. Last, but definitely not least, DevOps and SREs. These are the people who make sure systems stay online, fast, and reliable.
DevOps engineers typically earn $100,000 to $130,000, while experienced SREs often earn $160,000 to $200,000 plus.
You'll work with Linux, automation tools, containers, CI/CD pipelines, and cloud platforms. Yes, there's pressure. When things break, you're the one everyone calls. But you also get to automate, optimize, and build systems that don't break, and that's incredibly satisfying. Hands-on experience matters most here. Build it, break it, fix it. DevOps and SREs are the backbone of modern tech, and they're not going anywhere. No matter which path you choose, AI, cloud, security, development, the biggest takeaway is this: the people who win in tech aren't always the smartest. They're the ones who stay curious, keep learning, and adapt. Which tech skill are you planning to learn this new year? Drop it in the comments. You could meet others learning the same thing. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep learning.